Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2006 Lancer Evolution. A real nice car for a real nice guy, and it's got, I'm counting here, hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I got the heat gun on this dent. If you see, we've got a body line dent right here, a big kind of 50-cent piece size dent, a little tiny ding underneath it. We've got this high brow right here where the dent was made and it pushed one of the pads of glue that runs along the brace. And then if you look real close, we've got one right here, and a slight one right there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to do on this door. Let's see what we can do with it. Let me grab my hammer and tapper first, because I think the first thing we want to do is put on some meditation music. And then I think the first things first, we want to do this. Let's just move the strong arm out of the way, the heat gun out of the way, and take this brow down first, or high spot. A little bit of tapping. A little bit of tapping first. So at this point in the videos, when I say I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on this video, I really do. If you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button, we sure appreciate it. Helps out the channel. We love to see the community grow. And now I'm just finding right where it pinches and breaking that little high spot down. Maybe not 100%, but let's get some more of it out after we flatten the metal out. I mean, I can go a little bit more right here. But I also don't want to over tap and create more work for myself. So I've got Bertha in the grommet, and with this dent, guys, let me just show you. Let me find my tool here. Okay, so there's my tool on the smaller dent, and then as I go up, it stops right there, which is right there, that brace. Now, if I go out and up and around that brace, then I let my tool come down and I can get down to about right here, because I'm on the top side of that brace. So now let's just go for that big one. And I'm gonna get right in the center of that big one and make some real strong pushes. By strong, I mean about maybe 10 pounds of pressure, maybe 8. But we're just gonna baby that one out real nice and slow. Yeah, those are some stout, strong pushes, guys. And I will tell you this, these dents are going in the free bin. This is what we're doing for free because we did a large dent in the rear here that I'd say came out pretty good. It was had some bondo on it, had some body work, and I had to just clean up whatever I could. It wasn't really video worthy though. And this one is just some finite work underneath a brace, getting what we can out of it. I'm gonna make a couple little pushes right around the center there, and basically flush this out, this top one nice and dialed in, and it looks like it's, you know, weird and wavy. But that's okay. That's when we come in with a little bit of a tapper and clean those little lows and high spots up. Like there's a little high spot there. Clean that one up. We might just keep you in for the whole thing. There's nothing to really do a speedy with. So please excuse any background noise. We are out here in nature. And go up to this fine little line up here again and give it some real solid taps. Real delicate stuff here, guys. But I'm just dialing in Zen mode. So yeah, like I said, this one is a couple little dents on a door that we're going to end up just taking 10 or 12 minutes to do them and make them look real nice. Now, since I notice more of this dent up top, I'll start up top here and get some of that body line out. I am right on it. Hopefully you guys have a good angle. I'm really have a fine angle on this one. Just for the finish work. And the start work on something like this only takes about 2 or 3 seconds to get the majority of that shape back. But now is when I come back down to this little valley down here and get the rest of this dent out. Which it's coming together real nice. Yeah, a couple little finite finishes that I can do, but let me just keep on moving. I'm going to move down to this lower one. Let's change the board angle a little bit. So I can see the top one still has a little bit of work that I need to do, but I'm going to come to this lower one, right where I was, and get up as high as I can underneath this brace. Oh, let me go back up to that top. I can get to it now because the metal's moved. So since I moved the metal, I actually have some room to sneaky up underneath this area. There we go. Clean that one up a little bit. And I can even get in there and clean some more of it up. I just want to keep on the progress. It's probably at about 100 degrees, not super warm. Okay guys, we're back. We had a slight interruption there, but we are back, and I'm just dialing into this top area, trying to fix this last little bit of the top one. It's not bad at all. It's got a little high tug to it. I mean, it was a pretty sharp big dent, but now I'm going to go back down underneath it, and I'm looking in just past this high brow. There's a little low valley down here, and I'm just going to kind of find myself in the middle of that low valley, at the very top of it. I'd say I'm right here to start with, and then I will come down with some nice even pushes and just kind of fill out this last little area. Little dent down here on the bottom. Let's get it. Get after it. One good push gets most of it out. Just got to remember, guys, it looks like I'm making one push and getting most of it out. I am, but you got to know when to stop pushing. You don't want to make a little high spot. So as the rain starts to happen, I'm going to get my other tool, move the board a little bit, put this heater over here, hit these two little guys out, three little dents, I think. Get my number one. Rain's starting to happen, so I'm getting a little bit impatient, but let's just go like this. Nice and easy. and go right up into that dent. This is as old school as it gets, guys. Getting the tip right in the center. And just pushing her out real nice and slow. And I wouldn't even say slow. I'd say we're doing this one kind of fast. Almost gone. I mean, hey, I'm not gonna beat myself up over, you know, a little one that, oh darn. So this one is a tough one to get to right here. I'll get down to the bottom. And that one right there, I'm gonna have to roll the window down to get to. Yeah, let's see if I can sneak up in there. Up underneath that brace. No, I can't. It's tight as heck. So, if I go up on top of the brace and come back down, I can almost get to it. Almost. I can get to it about right there. Try something else. No. I think what I'm going to have to do is roll the window down on that one. And just come at it from a different angle. We're going to go like this. See if we can get it nice and warm. Open up this door. Roll down this window. Hopefully it goes all the way down. Almost. And then what we're gonna do is go like this. Look right into it. Get myself my wedge and my guard. And try to sneaky right on in there. It's very tight, this back window. So, let's see if I can get in there with my number one. Like I say, it is very tight. And it looks like I might have to try a different angle. And I think I'm on it. It's a tight one, guys. For a little dent that we're throwing in the free bin, I usually say, oh, I'll just get in behind there and knock those out. But it ends up being kind of a tricky one. So, as the rain and the hail starts, we might just end this video off with a little bit of a outro in the rain. I'm gonna bend this tool a teeny bit, come in here like this, and say, wow, that's tight. That is tight, guys. I don't even know if I can get to this one without the glue pulling system. That's about as far as I can get to it. So I think what we're gonna do is we took a couple out here, took a couple out there. We're gonna finish this one for the customer, but we're gonna finish the video for you guys because it's starting to hail on me. So I think what we'll do is, I'm glad we got a video out for today. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button, yeah, gonna finish off this one a little bit. Now that I got my window open, I can just dial in on that one super quick and work this last little one out like so. Get right down there and just bing, bing, bing. Yeah, that's this one right here. So that one's gonna come out super nice. It is kind of a inclement weather right now, so we're just doing what we can to finish up. And like I say, we just spent a couple hours on the big dent, and it was kind of a strange dent where it had some bondo through this area, and this whole fender was crushed, but we ended up getting this one out pretty decent. This body line, I mean, all these scrapes that you see are through the paint, so it was hit pretty hard, but that one came out nice. Doing a couple of free ones right now. Other than that, hey guys, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.